Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, YouTube family, it is November 1st of whatever year you want it to be. 23, 24, 25, 26, and beyond. Hopefully these videos, these Big Easy videos, and all my videos hold relevance well into the future. All right, family, with it being November 1st, y'all know what's coming. If you've been around the channel for a while, or if you're a newcomer, it's time for the Big Easy Turkey Fry to take center stage and shine. All right, family, we're going to talk a little bit about a Big Easy Turkey Fry smoker, roaster, griller, and then we're going to talk a lot about the Big Easy Turkey Fry. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. This might be a good one. All right, family, a few days ago, my friend Big Lou Barbecue and other things he wants to do, he gave me a call. He said, Rosie, November the 1st is on the way, so you know what time it is. It's time for the Big Easy Turkey Fries. He said, I got an idea. Why don't you shoot a video about the Big Easy Turkey Fry, and I'll shoot one. So we decided that my angle would be mostly on the Big Easy Turkey Fry original, and his would be on the Big Easy Turkey Fry smoker, roaster, griller. I think he likes that one a little bit more. That's not my favorite unit. We find that it's somewhat gimmicky. I'll give you a little bit of overview about it, and he's going to tell you all about how you can get one, because I don't think that they actually sell them in the United States anymore, but I think possibly through Amazon or whomever you can still get them. All right, family, the Big Easy Turkey Fry. I started my YouTube channel. One of my first videos was on the Big Easy Turkey Fry. I think it was the one where I said it had a minor flaw, and the minor flaw was this right here, the igniter. The igniter broke on mine after having it for a couple of years. So what I did was, and I actually own 3 of these. On my other unit, I actually put a detent button that you can press and ignite it. So that actually works better for me. I really like that one. But this is my original unit, and I think after 7 years, this thing is still going strong. All right, family, if y'all are new to the channel, I'll give you a quick overview. If you're pulling one out of the box, I have several videos already out there telling you how to put it together, how to use it, how to modify it, trick it out, do all of that. As you can tell, I have a dome sitting on top of this thing. I'll tell you all about that melting dome here real quick. But let's talk about this one briefly. Like I said, this one is going to get gone all over in Big Lou's video, but just the fact that I own one, I'll tell you why this is not my favorite. First of all, when I weighed this thing, it weighs about 50 pounds if I did my quick math right. This thing is heavy, it's bulky, it's tall. Hold on just a second. This thing measures out at about 38 inches, I believe it is. This one measures out at about, at about 23 inches, which is perfect for fitting underneath my table. The Big Easy Turkey Roaster, Fryer, Griller, Barbecuer, too tall, not so much. So I actually have to keep that one stored either in my shed or keep it covered up out in the yard. It's rather bulky. The only claim to fame that I enjoy about this thing, it actually will smoke. I've come up with a couple of ways to try to give food some smoky flavor in this one. You can go back and reference some of those videos in my playlist, everything you ever want to know about the Big Easy Turkey Fry. This one actually has a smoker. Now, pro tip, when you're using this smoker, you're going to be tempted to put your pellets in there as soon as you start your cook. Word of advice, if you're cooking a turkey, or chicken or fish, whatever, and you want to smoke it, if you're cooking a turkey, say for an hour and a half, do not put those pellets in at the beginning of your cook or you're going to be over smoked. Put those in about 15 minutes before you're done, 20 minutes or so. You'll get a sufficient amount of smoke. Once you smoked it as much as you want to, pull those out. If you put them in too early and you think your food's getting too smoky, pull that unit out and stop the smoking process. It's that simple. Other than that, this thing is pretty much built just like the other one. You have your gas on, gas off. You have your igniter. Well, gas on, gas off. You have your igniter. You have a cover on this one for barbecue. You also have a barbecue grill right here. I also have another basket in there. I have a paper towel holder in the middle of that basket. Go back and check out my video on easy way to remove your turkey from your Big Easy turkey fryer. That was one of my best brain children right there, family. Without a doubt, baby. Yes, indeed. All right, family, like I said, I'll let Big Lou tell you all about that one. And we're going to go back over here to my baby. Yes, indeed. All right, family, you can see I have a dome on this one. Now, if you're new to the channel, the reason I have a dome on here, I was trying to create a similar, I did not own this one at the time. I was trying to create a similar effect with the regular Big Easy turkey fryer, and I think I did so. Now, this is, stay right there. All right, check this out, fam. This thing is exactly 12 inches inside diameter in that basket. This dome is exactly 12 inches. So if you want to create the barbecue effect on that, booyah! There it is, family. You got it right there. 12-inch dome. I will link this thing in the description below. Amazon, or I think you might even be able to get that from Lowe's or Stein's or somewhere like that. That is the perfect fit. Another thing that fits perfectly in here is a 12-inch Dutch oven. I believe I have 1 or 2 videos in that playlist where I actually sunk a Dutch oven out in this thing. I cut the heat on, and I cooked, I don't remember what it was, but I actually did a cook, maybe 2, with the Dutch oven inserted down inside the Big Easy. I used the Big Easy as a heat source. I've done all kind of modifications. My favorite modification, one of my first modifications I ever did to this thing was, booyah! Check it out, fam. I have the bunk bed basket, and that will be in the description below. There's a 22-piece accessory kit that goes with this thing. You can order that, and the bunk bed basket comes in it. Creates layers in the Big Easy turkey fryer. I can put corn here, potatoes here, chicken wings here, potatoes here, whatever. But if, say, you put corn at the bottom and the corn is already cooked and you can't get to it, you have to try to pull out that bunk bed and get to it. So what I did was I cut one of the layers out, and that way I have access. I can stick my hand through there, put a tongs through there, whatever, and pull out whatever's cooking at the bottom. Bam. Bam. I ain't saying I'm a genius, y'all, but I'm pretty darn close. All right, family. What it is, I'm lazy, and I always find a way to get around the system. And that was one of my first and my most, premier modifications. It's one that I'm most proud of to the Big Easy turkey fryer. All right, family, like I said, in this video, I'm not gonna go too in-depth into everything because I have over 35 videos on the Big Easy turkey fryer. At the end of this video, I will put, you will see at the end of this video where you have the playlist. And the playlist will be everything you ever want to know about the Big Easy turkey fryer and more. And you can sit, grab your popcorn, and you can binge watch all these freaking videos. It tells you how to put it together, how to use it, how to clean it, how to modify it, how to pull your turkey out, how to put your turkey in, how to pull your turkey out. I covered it all. Some people have called me the Big Easy King. Family, this is, like I said, this is going to be a quick down and dirty video. We're not going to go into detail. What me and Big Lou wanted to do was bring you into November, introduce you to the Big Easy turkey fryer if you're new to the game, And if you're an old timer, prepare you for what's to come. I probably won't be doing a turkey this year, but I'm going to be doing turkey legs. I'm going to be doing turkey thighs. I'm going to be doing fish. If you know, I've been around the channel for a while, you know I love to fish. I fish probably 3 to 4 times a week, and I'll be doing fish on the Big Easy Turkey Fry as well. One thing I really enjoy doing is I don't want this to be a one-trick pony. So when you pull this thing out, November 1st, which is tomorrow for me, but the first day of our video series, when you pull this thing out, I don't want you just to be thinking about November the 25th. I want you to be using it perhaps on a daily basis. You can cook dessert on this thing. You can cook breakfast on this thing. If the family's sitting around waiting and the turkey's already done, you can fire this thing back up and cook snacks on it. This is not a one-trick pony, family. All right, family. I want to keep this video short and simple and sweet, but I did want to say hello and welcome to the holiday season, and welcome to the star of the show, Mr. Big Easy and Mr. Big Easy Smoker, Roaster, Griller, Barbecuer, Pit, the whole 9 yards. All right, family. Y'all be sure to go check out my friend Big Lou Barbecue and other things he wants to do, and I will leave a link to his channel in the description box below. Family, if you enjoyed this video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. Y'all be sure to tune in, because we're going to have videos coming at you hot and heavy all about the Big Easy Turkey Fry with perhaps a little hot logic and a little George Foreman thrown in for spice. Family, y'all take care, have a great day, and I will see y'all a lot between now and the end of the year. Y'all have a good one. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.